Hi, I'm Hemant Alhans, founder and CEO of Synerzip. I started my career as a software developer in around 1987, and since then I've been in and around software industry in various roles. I played the role of a developer, of course, as a product manager, as an executive, and now bringing all that experience at Synerzip, and as a team at Synerzip, we have in-depth experience in all aspects of software development. So we focus on small to mid-sized software product companies. Typically, they tend to be venture-backed companies who have passed the initial stages of their market validation and initial technology validation also. Now they need to really scale up their engineering. That's when we come into the picture. We become their scalable, efficient, high-quality development engineering development partner to help them really deliver to the market in this growth phase that they're going after. And the reason we do that is this is really cutting edge, interesting work. We love what we do. The essence of why clients really work with us boils down to, as I reflect, one or more of these four reasons that I see. One reason is they need talent to fuel their growth, software talent, and they just can't find it locally. I mean, there's not enough talent to go around, whether you're in San Francisco Bay Area, whether you're in Dallas, or you're in Austin, or you are in Washington, D.C. area, it doesn't matter. There's not enough qualified software professional to go around. Second reason is the special expertise, the cutting edge expertise of breaking new ground on mobile or big data or analytical software or social media, whatever it is. We are always ourselves staying ahead on the learning curve, and we are able to bring that cutting edge expertise to our clients, which they don't have in-house. Third reason is capital constraints. They have raised a new round of financing, and they need to use that capital very efficiently, and we are able to bring the global talent pool sitting in India at 50% cost advantage to our clients, so their capital lasts longer. And final, perhaps the most important reason our clients work with us is time to market advantage, which is they have a bright idea, they want to bring it to the market, they've gotten enough market validation in their early stages. Now they need to push the pedal and grow. And when they have to do that, they need to ramp up the team quickly, software team quickly, and they can't do it locally. We end up becoming essentially a private label, white label development, R&D development center for clients. So our clients don't have to go to India, set up their development shop, worry about a facility, worry about all the hiring, talent retention, and all the practices that they have to put together. They don't get defocused on those. They stay focused on their market, their business. We do all the heavy lifting of setting it up for them, and the best part of our relationship with our clients is we give them the option to take the team that is working for them whenever they feel like it and convert it to their captive center if they felt like it. So with us, they have the complete flexibility. So they have their cake and they eat it too with us.